Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to export 4K video on Premiere Pro. So, if you want to export high quality 4K videos in Premiere Pro, in this guide I will show you the best export settings for crisp and clear 4K footage. Let's get started. So, step 1 is opening the export panel. Simply open Premiere Pro, navigate to your project. You will see the workspace where you'll have to simply navigate to the export panel. You can do this by clicking on export button after selecting the video that you want to download. Just press I for selecting the start range and O for selecting the end range. After doing this, you can also press Ctrl plus M on your keyboard and this will take you to your export tab. Now, after you do this, we'll have to come to step 2, that is selecting the right format. So under format, choose H.264, that's best for YouTube and social media, or QuickTime, that is ProRes for high quality output. Set the preset to YouTube 4K Ultra HD. So we'll have to click here on preset. Then click on more presets. Now you'll have to search for YouTube 4K Ultra HD. Search YouTube. Now choose this preset that says YouTube 2160p 4K Ultra HD. Now click on OK. After you do this, that preset will be set here in the preset section. Now after you do this, you'll have to simply navigate to another step, that is exporting and saving. Just click on the location option. Choose the location where you want to export this video. Give your file a name, click on save, then enter the file name here. You can also change the file name here and simply click on export button at the bottom right. Now this will instantly render your video. As you can see, my video is currently in render. And I also have a tip for you. If you're uploading to YouTube, Premiere Pro's YouTube 4K preset works great. That's it. Now you know how to export 4K videos in Premiere Pro with the best settings. If this helped, like and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next one.